Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial we're going to have a look at how you can customize the function buttons on your brand new LUMIX L10. So all we need to do is jump into the menu by pressing the menu key, then scroll down to the settings cog and go to the right until you see this option called operation. Then go to the right again and then select Fn or function button set. Select that, and then here you actually get to select and control the function buttons based on the different modes that the camera can be in. So right now we are in photo mode, but you can do this also for video and slow and quick, as well as playback mode. For now we're going to do this for photo mode, so we're going to select that option, and then what you can see here right away, we get 1 out of 3 different pages with options that we can actually set up. So please keep that in mind. It's not just what you see on the first screen. You can go and navigate by using the down or up key to the different options that are available, the different buttons that you can customize, and then select the one that you would like to change to actually configure it to what you want it to do. So, for example, if I come out of the menu, just briefly, if I press this back button here, whilst I'm in recording mode, you can see how I can enable the histogram. But let's say I actually don't really care about the histogram, I don't use it that often, and I'd like to change that so that the button here actually enables my level gauge, so I know if my camera is sitting level when I take my photos. So, go back into the menu, back to function button set, into the photo mode, and then just by using the down key, scroll all the way down until we can see here. This is actually called function 1. You can see here it shows us that's the key over there. We're going to select that and then switch it to level gauge. Confirm with set. Come out of the menu by pressing the shutter key slightly, and then if we press this key again, we can now see we have enabled the level gauge and we can actually use it to tell if the camera is level or not. All right, so that's pretty much in a nutshell how you can enable and configure the different function keys on your camera. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.